Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to empty barn in Township. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township on my phone and this is how the game looks like. Basically guys, this is my town. So all you need to do guys in order to empty your barn is go to your barn right here, click on it. And then once you're here, you're going to find all of the items that you have in your barn. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find the capacity. So for me, I have 20 items and the maximum is 50 items. If I reach 50 items and I want to get anything in my barn, I will get a message that says barn is full. So right here, you can see all the items. In order to empty the barn, you need to sell the items that you have. For example, I'm going to show you guys how to sell milk. Just click on it and then click on sell. And as you can see, guys, this is how you can sell it. You can also select more than one. So I'm going to also sell my wheat, the carrots, corn, and lastly, the cow feed. And as you can see, guys, once I sold everything, I have my barn empty. So once I go back, if I, for example, remove this wheat like this, it will go again to my barn. Once we click on the barn, as you can see guys, I have 6 wheats right now. I'm gonna click on it again, increase the quantity, and then click on sell, and I sold the wheat. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.